Hi friends, so I'm back with my new video. In today's video, we'll be learning the list of prerequisites which are needed to generate the email verification or validation URL. Many of the times you must have heard a use case where you expect the user to put some email ID on the form, and then just to validate that email ID, you send a validation email to the customer with a link, so that on the link, once the user click that, you will get a kind of callback that yes, the customer has validated the email ID. Cater this kind of problem, what we would be doing is, in today's video, the first thing which we'll be doing is we'll be understanding the structure, that how whole process done. In second step, we'll be writing some prerequisite, which is the utility which we need to generate that URL. In third, we'll be testing that utility. In fourth, we'll be building. So friends, let's start. So I already created a directory, and inside this directory, friends, these are the list of files which I already created: go mod, go sum, and main. So basically, go mod and go sum, these files are required to maintain the dependencies. So I'll be showing that how these dependencies are mentioned in your go mod. So as of now, I have not added any dependencies, so it would be blank. So friends, the very first thing which we would be doing is that every time when we send any kind of URL for the validation, then what we do is we generate a unique identification number, so that we can identify that this is the unique request which is getting sent to the customer. So friends, the very first thing which we would be doing is we'll be generating the UUID, which is a unique identification number, unique number which would be generated on every request. So for this, to cater this kind of problem, what we would be doing is we'll be using there is a package which is provided by Google where you can generate the unique identification number. So friends, what we'll do is we'll write a new function and then UUID. So this function, basically what it would do is it would generate a number, and then we need to first declare a new variable which is ID. So friends, what we need to do is inside this main function, we'll be declaring a new variable UUID, and then we'll be calling a function of this. So friends, these are the list of functions available from the different packages. So I have used this UUID Google package in my other functions, so it is showing on the drop down. Otherwise, what you can do is you can directly copy this URL and you can do the manual import. So in my case, it is actually not needed because I already imported this particular package. I'll be calling UUID function, and then under that we'll be calling new and then bracket. So friends, this part is done, and then what next we need to do is we just have to print this UUID. So friends, these are the two lines which you have to mention just to generate the unique identification number. And if you see, it seems some incorrect package has import. So what we'll do is we'll select the correct one. So it's done. So friends, just in case you want to add or import this package, what you can do is you can simply copy this URL and perform go get and enter. So friends, in my case, I already imported, so it is not showing, but yes, it has not given any error, which means it is successfully imported. Now let's go inside the mod file. So friends, inside this mod file, if you see that the package has been imported successfully, and this has become part of my dependency. And similarly, we can go inside this, and here also we can see that this has been added in my GoSum file. So friends, let's go back to the main function and let's execute this function and see that whether it is giving the unique identification number properly or not. So friends, if you see, so it is actually giving me unique identification number. Let's again execute the same function and see that whether we are getting some different unique identification number or not. So I executed again. So friends, if you see, in second, the number has been completely changed. Now let's execute again. So friends, if you see that the number has been changing. So these two lines you can use and you can easily generate any new unique number. on every request. So friends, if you like my video, please click on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please, in case you have any query or in case you want me to cover any particular topic in detail, then please put it on a comment section so that I can take the input from there and I can prepare my next videos. Thank you friends.